Gorilla, it's time for the Pepe's Taco Eating Contest. Your number.
All right, everybody, welcome to the 7th annual Pepe's Taco Eating Contest here at Balmoral Park. How about a big round of applause for these contestants? Make no mistake, these are well-trained, disciplined athletes. They are ready for this. Before we get going, we want to thank Bob Pitak, Joe Escareno, Rocio, Miguel, everybody from Pepe's. So a big round of applause for Pepe's. Without further ado, we're going to introduce our contestants. On the left, we've got Mike Gosnell from Dyer, Frank Rutkowski from Lockport, Dave Feynman from Dyer, Indiana, Meredith Gosnell representing the women from Crete, Illinois, William Trippimer from Stager, Ryan Bowder from Crest Hill, Mike Plumley from Moni, and Justin Teach from Cherville, Indiana. What we've got here is 5 minutes of taco eating contest. The winner is going to win $500 in cash, $100 to Pepe's, and dinner for 4 in the Balmoral dining room that does not have to be redeemed tonight. So without further ado, we're going to get ready here. Again, you got 5 minutes. On your mark, get set, go. Everybody has a lot of enthusiasm right here that will wane. I'm going to give this to you here. You keep me up. Let me know each minute. It looks like Frank's ready to go. Frank's moving along. William's taking pictures. Meredith seems like she stopped off for a snack. She's not really moving along too quick. Frank's moving along. Ryan Bowder's making a move. Let me see. We're coming up on 4 minutes here. Frank Rutkowski's making it. Look at this. He's like a machine. A lot of armchair quarterbacks in this crowd. Feynman, Meredith going with a dip now, dipping it in the water. 3:30 left, 3 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. William Trippimer is about halfway gone. Plumley making a move. Plumley's, it's like a shovel. Trippimer taking a look around to see what's going on. He should be looking down at Rutkowski to see what he's doing because he's making a serious dent into this plate. Feynman doing well. Justin looks a little nervous down here on the end. It sounds like a lot of trainers here in the crowd. 2:30, we're at the halfway mark, 2:30. The record is 15. The record is 15, so if anybody clears their plate, that ties the record. Trippimer's. He's like a vac. Look at this thing. Where are we at here? 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Trippimer still. Bowder seems to have conceded at this point. He's just enjoying the rest of his dinner. It's down to Trippimer and looks like 1 or 2 other contestants. Mike Gosnell's struggling, to say the least. What do we got? 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. Chippermer's got the stare down. Look at this. He's confident. This here is the final stretch. We are at 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Pick your horse, people. Let's cheer him on. "45 seconds. Meredith going with the dunk still. It's like a drink and a taco at the same time. Frank seems to have slowed down a little bit. He seems to hit a little bit of a wall. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to $500 and glory. If you win this title, no one can take it away from you. You've got about 15 seconds. 15 seconds. This isn't even close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put down your tacos. We're going to count them, but it doesn't even look close. It looks here like William Trippimer from Stager. Here's your winner. Here's your champion. And the ladies love him. Thank you again from Balmoral Park from the Pepe's annual taco eating contest.